Okay. Good day guys. Welcome to my tutorial. So today I will teach you how to create a Facebook fan page. So let's start. Welcome to my tutorial. Uh, I will teach you how to make a Facebook page. So what is a Facebook page? This is a page. This page are for businesses, brands, and organizations to share the stories and connect to people. Like profiles, you can customize pages by posting stories, hosting events, adding apps, and more. People who like your page and their friends can get updates in newsfeed. You can create and manage a page from your personal account. But note, if you want to create a page to represent a business, brand, organization, or celebrity, you must be an official representative. Now, let's make a Facebook fan page. Just go to www.facebook.com. So here's the site of the Facebook. If you don't have an account, just fill up the information needed below, like this. If you're done, just click sign up. But for now, I will log in into my account. Then I will click login. Now let's make our Facebook fan page. Click the right side and choose create page. And this screen will up. Then choose the category for your page. But I will choose a public figure. Now choose a category. For me, I will choose a coach category. Then I will name it my page as my name, Jmar Villamor. Then I will click get started. Then to add the description, I will add the description to and website to improve the ranking of your page in search. So let's put it out. Let's put your description, your website, and like this. If you're done, just click save info. Now let's upload the picture for our page. So that's me. Then click next. Add favorites, but I will skip it now. And you can reach people to get more likes by creating an ads in Facebook like this. By creating an ads, you can target your prospects like you want to target 18 to 21 years old of age or what country you want. So for now, I will skip it. Next, like, next, next. Then here it is. We create our Facebook fan page. But as you can see, we have no cover photo. So we will add a cover photo. To add a cover photo, just click add cover. Then always remember the standard size of a cover photo is 851 by 315 pixels. You can choose a photo for from your documents or whatever. Just click upload photo. Then select files you want to upload. Then click open. Then here it is. We have a cover photo for our page. Then click save changes. Now we have a cover photo. But I want to put a description for our page. So just go to settings. Click settings, then click page info. Then just put the description of your page like this. Then now we're done. We have a Facebook fan page now. So thank you again for watching for this tutorial. And please don't forget to like my page at facebook.com/jmar-villamor. For more questions about this tutorial, please email me at jmar008@gmail.com. Thank you so much for viewing this tutorial. Please leave a comment below guys and please give me a likes. That will be so much happy. And again, happy learning. I will see you soon. Bye.